My name's Juliet Eve and I'm a face painter. I've been painting about 20 years or so. So I'm here at Paradise Wildlife Park today to show you how to paint some popular faces. Right, what I'm going to do next is show you how to do some circus makeup. And I'm going to use a clown, but not a straightforward clown. This is a Pierrot, which is the French clown, and often they were sad. So I've started here with a basic makeup, which was, I've built a white base, I've done eyeliner, and I've done a couple of brows and the little kind of cupid bow lips. So now I'm going to extend it a bit and show what else you could do. You can go as far as you like, use your imagination to put twirls and teardrops and all sorts. So I'll show you the sort of thing you can do. I'll just change the shape of these eyebrows slightly, so I'll take that up there. Take that to a point. Take this round, give it a little twirl, and simply do that. And then on the other side, I'll take this up. And I just get carried away doing some different lines, that's all. And personalise it really. I'll also get some red, which I think would be quite fun to it's quite nice to include, if you've done red lips, to include the red somewhere else. So I'll do one of the little geisha tricks. So I want you to close your eyes, Josie, and I'll run some red along there. I want you to keep your eyes closed until that dries, okay? And I'll put a bit of red here, maybe. A little bit there. Let's have a bit of red over the top of this one. Now we're going to add a little bit of glitzer. This is a gold glitter gel, and I always practice it, try out a little bit on the back of your hand just to make sure it's flowing well, and always make sure you clear the nozzle either with a pin or squirt it through with water at the end of the day when you've been using it. So we'll add a little bit under this teardrop. And I'll do a few more little things like this. So there we are, that's how to do circus makeup.